48. Chance of rain 60%. Thursday, most. The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Logan County in northeastern Colorado, north central Morgan County in northeastern Colorado, east central Weld County in northeastern Colorado, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:44 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near New Raymer, or 28 miles north of Fort Morgan, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Stoneham, New Raymer, Antelope Springs, and Willard. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing large hail. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio. Your normal program has been suspended due to severe weather in the listening area. For The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a tornado warning for east central Weld County in northeastern Colorado until 5:15 p.m. At 4:46 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over New Raymer, or 26 miles north of Fort Morgan, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include New Raymer and Stoneham. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.